Hey there, future metal moguls. If you're reading this, it means you're ready to dive into the glittering world of precious metals. You're probably thinking, should I really trade my hard-earned cash for shiny rocks? Well, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's embark on this golden journey together. By the end, you'll be as savvy as a pirate with a treasure map. Why precious metals? The shine behind the hype. Before we get to the nuts and bolts, or should I say gold bars and silver coins? Let's talk about why precious metals like gold and silver have been making investors drool for centuries. 1. Historical value. Gold and silver have been the rock stars of wealth for thousands of years. From ancient Egypt to the Wild West, these metals have always been the ultimate status symbol. Remember King Midas? He didn't turn everything into real estate. 2. Hedge against inflation. Think of gold and silver as your financial insurance policy. When the value of paper money goes down faster than a lead balloon, these metals retain their value. It's like having a lifeboat on the Titanic of economies. 3. Diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a recipe for disaster, or at least an omelet. Diversifying your portfolio with precious metals can reduce risk and volatility. It's like having a financial first aid kit. Getting started. The golden rules. Know your metals. Gold and silver are the Brad and Angelina of precious metals. But they're not the only ones in the game. Let's break down the main contenders. 1. Gold. Pros. Universally recognized, easily traded, and a fantastic hedge against inflation. It's the Beyonce of metals. Cons. Pricey and doesn't pay dividends. It's a high-maintenance investment. 2. Silver. Pros. More affordable than gold. Used in various industries, think electronics and solar panels, and historically outperforms gold during bull markets. It's like the versatile character actor of metals. Cons. More volatile and bulky to store. Think of it as the metal equivalent of your quirky but unpredictable friend. 3. Platinum and palladium. Pros. Industrial uses. Hello. Catalytic converters. Rarer than gold and silver, and often perform well during economic booms. Cons. Market less liquid, and prices can be extremely volatile. These are like the indie musicians of metals. Not as mainstream, but potentially rewarding. How to buy precious metals. Alright, now that we've got the introductions out of the way, let's talk about how to get your hands on these shiny treasures. Here are the main ways to invest in precious metals. 1. Physical bullion. Pros. Tangible assets you can hold. Great for a post-apocalyptic barter system. Cons. Storage and security can be a headache. Remember, Fort Knox wasn't built in a day. Gold bars and coins. Investing in gold bars and coins is like buying the celebrity autographs of the metal world. They're recognized globally and come in various sizes and purities. Silver bars and coins. Similar to gold but cheaper and bulkier. You might need an extra drawer or two for storage. 2. TTFs exchange-traded funds. Pros. Easy to buy and sell. No need to worry about storage, and some even pay dividends. Cons. You don't actually own the physical metal. It's like renting versus owning a house. 3. Mining stocks. Pros: potential for high returns and dividends, and you're investing in a business, not just a metal. Cons: riskier due to market and operational factors. It's like investing in a company that has to dig through mountains to make money. For futures and options. Pros: high leverage and potential for significant profits. Cons: extremely risky and complex. These are not for the faint of heart or thin of wallet. Strategies for investing in precious metals. Now that you know how to get your hands on precious metals, let's talk strategy. Here are some tried and true methods to maximize your returns and minimize your risks. Buy and hold, the classic strategy. You buy the metal, sit back, and let time do the heavy lifting. It's like planting a tree, boring at first, but eventually you'll have something valuable. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of the metal's price. This strategy smooths out the bumps of market volatility. It's like spreading peanut butter on bread, even and satisfying. Speculative investing. Buying low and selling high. Easier said than done. But it's possible if you have a keen eye on market trends. Think of it as surfing the metal waves. Hedging. Using precious metals to balance risk in your portfolio. It's like adding a side salad to your steak dinner, balancing out the indulgence. Gold rush stories. Did you know that during the California gold rush, some people made more money selling shovels and jeans hello Levi Strauss than from finding gold? Lesson: sometimes the real gold is in the tools. Silver's superpowers. Silver isn't just shiny, it's also antimicrobial. Ancient civilizations used silver vessels to keep water fresh. So, next time you're sipping from a plastic bottle, remember that ancient Romans were already ahead of the game with their silver cups. The Great Diamond Hoax. In the 1870s, two swindlers conned investors into buying shares of a diamond mine in Colorado. They scattered raw diamonds and gems over the ground to dupe geologists. Moral of the story? Always do your homework and beware of anything that sounds too good to be true. Common mistakes to avoid. Panic selling when prices drop. It's tempting to sell off your metals in a frenzy. But remember, even the shiniest coins have their dull days. Storing physical metals can be costly. Don't overlook the fees for safes, bank vaults, or security systems. It's like buying a pet. You need to consider the ongoing costs, not just the initial investment. Buying metals on a whim is like buying a car without a test drive. Do your research, understand the market, and consult experts. As we move into an increasingly digital and green world, the demand for precious metals could shift. Gold and silver will likely remain safe havens. But keep an eye on emerging trends and technologies that could impact their value. Silver is crucial in solar panels, and both platinum and palladium are essential in reducing vehicle emissions. Investing in metals tied to green tech could be a savvy move. Some are speculating that blockchain could make metal trading more transparent and efficient. Stay informed on how digital advancements could reshape the market. So there you have it, a comprehensive and hopefully entertaining guide to investing in precious metals. Whether you're drawn to the timeless allure of gold the versatile charm of silver, or the industrial appeal of platinum and palladium. There's a metal investment strategy out there for you. Remember, investing in precious metals isn't just about the potential for profit. It's about adding a bit of glitter to your financial portfolio, diversifying your assets, and maybe even indulging in a bit of historical fantasy. So go forth, future metal moguls, and may your investments be as solid as gold and as sparkling as silver. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and tales from the world of investing. If you enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. World Business for more golden nuggets of wisdom.